To everybody returning to Wealthy Coin, I hope you're all doing well. Please allow me to explain the current state of affairs with the Shiba Inu Shib news. Since February 4th, when it hit an annual high of 0.157, the price of Shib has declined. Prior to the fall, which culminated in a March 4th low of 0.107, the daily RSI showed a bearish divergence. The fact that the price of the Shib token dropped below the 0001.22 support level is an important development. As things stand, the price of Shib is now trying to test the support level that was previously established by a long-term falling resistance line. If this fails, the Shib price might fall to the next level of support at 0.00100. However, a retest of the 0.122 area could be in store if it manages to bounce. What on earth happened with the Shiba Inu Shib news? We'll be talking about it in this video. Here we go with the video, no holds barred. To view our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. According to the 6-hour technical analysis, the ABC corrective structure that began after the yearly high on February 5th may have been completed by the Shib price. This would indicate that the Shib price is in wave C or has completed the correction. After the C wave between those two levels finishes, the Shiba Inu prediction is anticipated to continue its upward journey nonetheless. If the price of Shib drops below the wave 1 low of 0.0078, it would render this bullish analysis of the Chinese currency useless and perhaps lead to a decline towards 0.0050, so concluding the most likely Shib price. We have not yet hit the low of 0.0099, which could be reached with a 1-to-1 ratio of waves A to C. A possible completion of the correction has been made possible by the 0.618 fib retracement support level at 0.0018. Also lending credence to this is the fact that the RSI has formed a small bullish divergence, bottoming off at 0.00100 and then continuing upwards is what the forecast is predicting. If the price of Shib coins were to fall below 0.0078, which would indicate a rejection of this bullish forecast, we may see a decline below 0.0050. Since the start of the year, the value of the digital asset has increased by 574%, supported by the widespread euphoria around the Bitcoin market. Despite the seemingly insignificant numbers for Shiba, it is worth noting that at the time of publication, its market capitalization, which stood at an impressive $6.06 billion according to the latest data from CoinMarketCap, placed it as the 15th largest digital asset. At its current price, Shib has fallen 1.58% today and 13.98% for the week, for the last 30 days, and 13.32% overall. It's all about keeping an eye on market conditions, your investment horizon, and the value of the token at any given time. Shib has the potential to skyrocket and turn a careful investor into a millionaire. However, it has a long way to go before it reaches the per-unit values of Ethereum and Bitcoin. In September 2012, you could have bought 11 million Shiba coins for just $7, proving that the price is steadily going up. At the same time, the Shib team has been hard at work on Shiba, a much-anticipated Layer 2 network. In a recent tweet, lead developer Shoshir Kusuma revealed that, as far as the Shiba Inu ecosystem is concerned, the only official decentralized exchange is ShibaSwap. Kusuma also announced an increase in the presale pool for the monthly Shiba Eternity tournament and doubled the tournament frequency. The Shiba Inu ecosystem hosts the Shiba Eternity tournament once a month, which boosts the mood of everyone involved in the Shib ecosystem. The new reward structure, announced by Kusuma, is as follows: $500 for first place, $250 for second place, and $250 for third place. DocPad is footing the bill for the tournament, while Kusuma has sponsored the prize pool and Shiba's official launchpad environment. The outcome is that there will be 2 tournaments per month instead of 1, allowing participants to gain from the incentives. There has been a 10% decrease in the price of Shiba Inu. Since February 26th, members of the Shib community have been eagerly awaiting the launch of the Layer 2 scaling solution. It is believed that Shiba, the scaling solution's release, will revive the meme coin that Dogecoin demolished. Gamers' gaming experiences can be enhanced with the use of a MetaMask function, which Kama just brought to light. The major developer's decision put a stop to speculation that a crossover between Shiba Eternity and MetaMask was in the works. The Silvergate disaster caused a precipitous decline in SHIB prices from $0.1219 to $0.1113. According to Shoshiro Kusuma, the chief developer of the Sharian project in Shibanu, there is a great deal of interest in the blockchain platform that will enable developers and consumers to activate new use cases over the present blockchain. This week's intake form on Medium received some truly remarkable contributions. All incoming entries are being reviewed as per his message, and the distribution of responses for the filled-out forms will be seen this weekend. Over the weekend, we should be able to respond to those who submitted the intake form via email. In the revived Shirim chat on Telegram, we're merely trying to get everything in order and give each of the thousands of submissions the attention it deserves. Additionally, Kusuma brought up the fact that the SHIB crew had been approached by other projects interested in collaborating with Sharium. As the Sharium beta is nearly ready for release, Kusuma thanked the community for the thousands of suggestions, noting that they have strengthened the SHIB army. As the credits roll, the lead singer of ER posted an invitation to join the project and the song that will be playing throughout. Members of the SHIB's community were worried because the project crew has been rather silent as of late. I have been working tirelessly with various, Kusuma stated. Just so everything is clear. As far as MU Metaverse is concerned, everybody is welcome at the Shirim. At this year's South by Southwest Festival, they will showcase the Wayme Temple Hub. I've already started looking forward to seeing the incredible submissions that folks have generated using our intake form. I have been mum about it all since I'm coordinating revisions with many groups in front of the South by Southwest and Chiron beta shipping. The SHIB crew will ensure a cross-chain update is executed within the metaverse. The cross-chain platform ShibaSwap was also the subject of Kusuma's comment. After Sharium was released, he said ShibaSwap would be officially recognized as Sharium's decentralized exchange. Did you get a chance to see the team's breathtaking new designs? The official deeks for Shubri will be ShibaSwap, in case that wasn't clear. It will be exciting to see the rest. There has been considerable coverage about Sharium in recent times. The announcement of the project's beta version's impending release took place on February 13th. However, nothing came to fruition. Users were also informed that a Bone Shiba replacement would be required to access the site. Due to its intended use with sensitive data and its alleged tamper-proof and secure nature, security is one of the project's primary concerns. Perfect for keeping tabs on transactions and activities, Sharium is apparently cheap and moves at an intriguingly quick pace. For those who find joy in the company of canines and monetary gain, I recommend looking into Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Shiba Inus were dubbed Dogecoin killers despite the fact that they were introduced to the market slightly after Dogecoin. The story goes like this: Dogecoin was first created as a parody of Bitcoin, and Shiba Inu was created to foil Dogecoin schemes. Both goals were only partially achieved. The decentralized nature of Dogecoin's trading platform has been a major factor in its long-term success. In contrast, SHIB Army has gained the trust of investors by honing down on smart contracts. Now that's a smart puppy. Although this trend is anticipated to be beneficial, the market has reacted differently in recent weeks to the disclosure that Unstoppable Domains, a Web3 domain registrar, has picked Dogecoin as its payment option. Shiba Inu's most recent announcement is also positive. The company plans to stabilize the market by launching the Sharian beta program. Depending on the specifics of each publicized significant project development, the market's reaction could vary. This brings us to the end of the day. If Sheena receives a positive response, please remember to give it a large thumbs up. If you want to see what we've been up to recently, hit that subscribe button and give us a like.